So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to make an urban design master plan. So for this urban design master plan, we have first sketched it out and made the concept form of the township that we are planning to have in this area in Kashmir, India. So for that we are going to start drafting. So first step that you have to do is that you have to sketch out your township idea that you have, but add a good amount of details. As you can see over here, that we have made a particular building footprints and not just a building cluster block. And here we are having a sports park, so that also has been detailed out in somewhat, I may say 10 or 20 percent of um, progress. So yeah, that's it. So after this stage is over and then you figure out what things are going to happen in the township, then you can start with your with this step, which is you have to take a screenshot of the uh, Google Earth Pro image that you are going to have your urban design proposal on, and then you have to start drafting on that. So this is what I started drafting yesterday night, and I forgot to record it and tell you guys. So this is the main national highway, and this is the main primary spine of transport that we are going to have in our township, which is this road. And then it sprawls out to different secondary and tertiary road. As you can see it over here, these are the secondary roads and these are the tertiary roads, correct? So after this, what you have to do is now you have to start drafting your plan very nicely. So for that, first we'll draft the river, because river here is the main element. So we'll start with SP line, and we'll just start pointing start placing the points that we need our SP line on, which is quite very simple and not so. We'll also make this flood channel after a while, when after we finish drafting our river. So yeah, as you can see over here, that first part of the river has been done. We'll start drafting with the second part of the river. So as you can see over here, that the river and the main spine of the road has been detailed out. And yeah, that's it for this part of the thing. Now we'll start drawing the road networks that are going to come in the township, which we will start with this area, and this is going to be a regular curve, a small regular curve, not a big regular curve. So after this they will go towards this area, we'll go to this, and then again we will like go to till here. So this is what the first road is going to be, and this area is going to go under a green zone, correct? So yeah, let's see. Again, we'll leave a 50-meter buffer between the river and the main building footprint. Correct. As you can see over here, we have a parcel of land to build in, and then we'll go with our second major road, which is right over here, which divides this green space is going to be divided into two parts. Is let's again go with SP line and just draw it right over here and make it go down. Yeah, as you can see it over here, it is all okay. This is going to be a little smaller, and this is going to be a little this way, but I think this is going to get similar, so let's just do this thing, let's say this way, or we may do this thing this way. I think this looks better. This looks better, and now we are going to again leave a 50-meter buffer in this area too, and we are going towards till here we are going to get. So after this a bit, we're having a school over here, so we'll end it right over here, and then we'll make a road again with an SP line which starts from here and goes till the end of the buffer. So we again got a second parcel of land which is right over here, which is a bigger part of land. And now, as we know that this is a 15-meter road, it has been done like this. All are going to be 7.5-meter roads, so 7,500. We are working in mm, so everything will be in mm. So this all roads are going to be 7.5-meter roads. So as you can see, I've done this right over here. I trim it off. I'll trim off this crossroad also. Okay, this was not connected, I think. So I'll trim it out this thing also, and I'm going to trim out these things also. Why is this extend? Yeah, not getting to extend. Why I can't? Okay, we'll do this, and then we will extend this thing till here. Okay, this works, and we'll extend this thing till, okay, it is getting, okay, we'll do a polyline for this one, and we'll just join both of it. So as you can see, this is one now. We're going to trim off this edge which is not needed. Then we are going to again trim out these edges, again the same thing that we did. I think this is an arc which are doing it right over here, so I think we should trim out the edges from this side of the road, so that would be just better. And this has, okay, this went off. uh, we'll just extend this line, and then we'll try to trim it off. Yes, and we'll try to trim it off this one also. This crossroad is also now ready, as you can see it over here. So two crossroads are ready of the primary and the secondary spine of the road. Then we'll try, now we'll do the third crossroad. Again the same things is happening with us. Let's just extend this things. Could we just extend these things? SP lines cannot be extended, so we'll just stretch the vertex till here. Here also we'll just stretch the vertex till here, and then we'll trim out these edges, and again we'll trim out. Then I think we have to take this back as we are not able to stretch out the different vertex. And yeah, this is better now. uh, this is kind of a headache now. Is this all draft? This is joined till a very good amount. I don't know why this is happening, but yeah, let's just do it. At this case, this is more important to be done. Yeah, let me stretch the edge and trim this guy off and bring this. This is getting tedious now. This is getting tedious, and yeah, we are done with this thing, and we'll again do this thing. We'll make a polyline and just connect this. This 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 was easy, right? So now again extend. This vertex will be extended right over here, and then this crossroad will be trimmed, and this will be connected to this line. And yeah, that's it. You're good to go on all the crossroads. So after making all the crossroads, what we will do is that we will make all the lines over here. I think I think rather than creating this thing over here, I think we should create this thing over here also, because here also we are going to get the housing units. This all is also going to get demolished. So I think there should be a little change in the design. So let's say that we have it over here also. Let's say we have it over here also. It will just look good. It will not look bad till here. If we say that we have it, let's make another SP line and connect it right over with this road, and again offset it by 7500, because this is going to be a secondary road. We'll trim the arches. Thank god it just got trimmed at the right time, correct? So this is what is going to happen. I think we'll go here also till, yeah, I think this is okay. The i- institution part will keep the same, and I think this road networks are probably the best that could work. This is going to be a public promenade, and this thing also has a bund road, which is this line. The buffer line that we have made is their bund road, so that also has to be respected and kept as similar as possible. So we'll try to do that also. So this all the road networks has been taken place in, and the end of the things are also taken care with. Now, as we know, the year we are having some mosques and things like that. So here we'll make it like that. This will have a central spine of green spaces over here that can divide these two blocks of residence and commercial plus residence mixed use. So what we are doing is that this is the mixed use area. This is going to be the mixed use area, and this is going to be pure residence facing the river. So our idea is to rejuvenate the river. So that is the main cause that we are doing it over there. Correct. So for that you will do. There where there are existing institutional buildings, which is right over here, and this is going to be a pure green space. This is also green space, but it also has a kind of a community gathering space also for their religious purpose and things like that. After that, we have a sports complex right over here. So this is what is the basic plan of the area, and in this video I'm just focusing on doing the proper zoning of the area and the road network. So that has been taken care of for now. So yeah, stay tuned in for rest of the parts of the video. I'm going to make a whole detailed plan of this township right over here on real time, real map, and things like that. So if you are interested in that, then stay tuned in, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, thank you for watching this part, and yeah, thank you.